Now you are going to hear English conversation between native English speaker.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, thank you. How about you?
I am good, thank you. What is your name?
My name is Emily. What is your name?
My name is Alex.
How old are you?
I am 21 years old. How about you?
I am 19 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from USA. Where are you from?
I am also from USA. Where do you live?
I am living in Canada. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I do. I have one brother and one sister. Do you have any siblings?
No, I don't. I don't have any siblings.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m. What are your hobbies?
I like to travel. What is your hobbies?
I like to play basketball. What is your favorite food?
I like sushi. What is your favorite drink?
I like Frappuccino.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to relax when I am free.
What was Alex's hobby? Alex liked to travel. What was Emily's favorite drink? Her favorite drink was Frappuccino. Was Emily's favorite hobby was to relax? No, her favorite hobby was to play basketball. Was Alex's favorite food was burger? No, his favorite food was sushi. What was Emily's age? She was 19 years old. What time does Emily wake up? She wakes up at 6 a.m.
Don't forget to rewatch this video many times as it will improve your English speaking skills.